Hello everyone, welcome to my school. Today we are going to learn farm animals and wild animals. Where these animals lives, what they eat, what they gives us, and which sound they makes, and what we call to their babies. We are going to gather information about all this. First we will see farm animals. This is cow. The sound which cow makes, we call it moo. Cow eats grass. Cow gives us milk and cow dung is used in planting. Cow lives in cow barn or we call it cow shed. Baby of cow is called calf. This is goat. G for goat. The sound which goat makes, we call it may may. Goat eats hay and grass. Goat gives us meat and milk. House of goat is called loafing shed. Baby goat is called kid. This is sheep. Sound which sheep makes, we call it baba. Sheep eats grass and hay. Sheep gives us meat and wool. House of sheep is called sheep pen or sheepfold. Baby sheep is called lamb. This is horse. H for horse. Sound which horse makes, we call it neigh neigh. Horse eats grass and tender plants. Horses can help people with their everyday life skills. Horse run very fast. House of horse is called stable. Baby horse is called as foal. This is donkey. D for donkey. Which donkey makes, we call it bray or hee-haw. Donkey eats straw and hay. Donkeys are used for carrying heavy loads. Donkeys live in stable or barn. Baby donkey is also called foal. This is pig. The sound which pig makes, we call it pink. Pink. Pig eats leaves, roots, some insects and fish. Pig gives us meat. Home of pig is called sty. Baby pig is called piglet. This is duck. D for duck. The sound which duck makes, we called it quack quack. Duck eats pond weed, seeds, insects and worms, water snails and small fishes as well. Duck gives us eggs and meat to eat. Duck lives in duck ponds or lakes. Baby duck is called duckling. This is hen. H for hen. The sound which hen makes, we call it clucking or cluck cluck. Hen eats grains, fruits and vegetables. Hen gives us eggs and meat to eat. House of hen is called chicken coop. Baby hen is called chick. Now we will see wild animals. This is lion. L for lion. The sound which lion makes, we call it roar. Lion hunt and eat medium-sized to large hoofed animals like zebras, antelopes. Lion is the king of animals. Lion is a symbol of strength and power. Lion house is called as den. Lion baby is called as cub. This is tiger. T for tiger. The sound which tiger makes, we call it roar. Tiger eats deer, wild pigs, water buffalo and antelope. Tiger is a national animal of India. Tiger home is called as lair. Baby tiger is called cub. This is bear. B for bear. The sound which bear makes, we call it roar or growl. Bear eats grass, roots, berries and insects. Bears have high IQ. They are most intelligent land animals. The house of bear is den. Baby bear is called cub. This is elephant. E for elephant. The sound which elephant makes, we call pow. Elephants are pure vegetarians. They eat wide variety of plants, woody trees, bark and fruits. Elephants are highly sensible and caring animals. Elephants are world's largest land animals. They don't build their home, they live in jungle. Baby elephant is called calf. This is deer. D for deer. The sound which deer makes, we call it grunting. Deer eats grasses, leaves, shoots of trees, and other woody plants. Deer are known for being calm and gentle animals. Deer lives on grasslands. Baby deer is called fawn. This is monkey. M for monkey. The sound which monkey makes is called whoop. Monkey eats fruits, nuts, flowers, seeds. Banana is their favorite fruit. Monkey lives on tree. Baby monkey is called infant. This is snake. S for snake. The sound which snake makes is called hiss. Snake eats insects, eggs, reptiles, fish, earthworms. Snake can't bite food, so they swallow it whole. Snake home is called burrow or nest. Baby snake is called snakelet. This is tortoise. T for tortoise. The sound which tortoise makes, we call it grunting. Tortoise eats fresh vegetables and fruits. Tortoise is oldest living animal and can live to be over 150 years old. Tortoise lives in a shell. Baby tortoise is called hatchling. This is rabbit. R for rabbit. The sound which rabbit makes, we call it squeak or purring. Rabbit eats hay and grass and green leafy vegetables. Rabbit's teeth never stop growing. Rabbit lives in burrow or tunnel. Pet rabbit's home is called hutch. Baby rabbit is called kit or kitten. This is squirrel. S for squirrel. The sound which squirrel makes is called squeak. Squirrel eats nuts, seeds, fruits and vegetables and grains as well. They have a very good habit of taking seeds, which are their main source of nutrients, and burying them. Squirrel lives in a dray. Baby squirrel is called kit or kitten. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.